Hi guys, it's Ruthie with the Purple Backyard Farm, taking a little stroll out here in my yard. And I want to show you what I made. I like to play around with converting clothing. So this was a sweater that just wasn't what I wanted, so to speak. It was just, I don't know, maybe a little old-fashioned. So what I did was I just crocheted a border. And I cut the arms off, made it into like a little vest. So if you have clothing and things and can single and double crochet, which you can see on my videos, you just take a regular, like a big needle with like a really, really large needle, metal, it has to have a huge hole, or go to the store and get like a big needle, and then you sew in the yarn just in and out, and then you just crochet from those loops. And it's just a funky little, kind of like my outfit for the day kind of thing. If you can see, just threw this on top if I have to go somewhere. Hey, I'm not shy, I'll wear this in public. Sometimes some crochet stuff I won't, but this is just a funky little vest. And I get cold in my shoulders, so this works out good. So anyway, I like to upcycle clothing. So that's just something to think about as you're crocheting. Sometimes I just want a quick project that I can get done in a night or a day or two, and you can play around. And if you want, you could add buttons, or you could put a pin, which was what I was doing, which is a little frayed up there, but that doesn't matter because it's just kind of funky. I just have like a little pin here in case I wanted to pin it shut at the top, or you could place it wherever. So there you go, just another idea. Crochet your little hearts out. And whoops, thought I heard something near the beehive. You want to take a second step there. But anyway, if you're looking for ideas of crochet, or you're low on yarn, those are some good ideas to do. So guys, remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. God bless.